Imagine a world where technology makes sailing easier, safer, and more fun. A world where you can always stay on top of everything. Where you can find your location at the touch of a button. You can already use your sensors and monitors to check your apparent wind speed, direction, apparent wind angle, speed through water, depth, current, distance to waypoint, ETA, air pressure, speed over ground, leeway, rudder angle, and more. At sea, things can change in an instant. There are, on average, 11 maritime incidents per day. 10 out of 11 are caused by human error. What if there was a way to monitor your sensors and equipment in one place that tells you if there were any changes in conditions, giving you the time to act before an incident happens? Wouldn't that be better than reacting? iNav for you. See everything.